Hey guys, depositing money into Skrill gives you several options, each with different speeds and fees. Here's the full updated guide. Open Skrill, go to deposit, and you will see all available methods: credit or debit card, instant, small fee; bank transfer, takes longer, lowest fees; rapid transfer or local payment methods, fast, region-based; crypto top-ups, available in select countries. Choose your preferred method, enter the deposit amount, and Skrill will show you any applicable fee before you finalize a payment. If you are depositing with a card for the first time, Skrill may ask for verification. Okay, usually a small test charge or quick selfie ID check. Once verified, deposits are instant. Bank transfers take 1 to 3 business days, but are usually the cheapest. Local payment methods like SoFort, Ideal, or Poly, depending on your country, offer fast deposits with moderate fees. Pro tip: if your goal is to avoid fees, deposit via bank transfer or use a local payment method rather than credit cards. See you in the next one.